Act is a multi-awarded singer, a songwriter, dancer, choreographer, and a member of an internationally acclaimed bebop phenom, SB19. As a total performer, he breaks through stereotypes and redefines what it means to be a true Filipino gentleman in the spotlight. Just last year, he launched his solo career with the release of his debut EP, Room, which has garnered over 33 million streams on Spotify alone. Everybody, let's give a hand for bebop superstar, Stan!
Whispered conversations, waiting up. What is up, Warner family? We play here, make some noise! Yun ay malakas? Make some noise! Again, everyone, magandang gabi po sa Warner family na nandyan sa paligid. Andito sa harap. Mas maganda ka pa rin. And of course, yung mga present tonight, Berries, are you here? At syempre, buong buo, 18! Wow. I'm very happy to perform again as a solo artist. It's been a long time, it's been a long time. And feels like, I don't know what to say tonight, kasi I'm used to perform with my with my brothers, SB19, but tonight I'm doing it solo again tonight. I'm very thankful to Warner for having me tonight. Thank you so much, Celine. I love you so much. Thank you, Celine, Nika, and of course Kelly. Where's Kelly? Where's Kelly? Thank you so much. Hi, I love you so much. Oh, you're here. YGIJ is here. Hi. Grabe, kanina, nasa dressing room ako, and then hearing all the Warner artists, talagang sabi ko, kinakabahan ako kasi parang ako lang yung artist na magbabalad tonight. But, sabi ko nga, I feel so proud na to represent mga people who loves ballad, right? So tonight, speaking of ballad, I'll be performing one of my favorite songs from my EP. Siyempre from my EP, alam naman EP ng iba, diba? And it was written by the one and only Pablo. He's actually here tonight. Pablo is here. He's here. He's here to support Ken, Philip, and me, of course. Sobrang tagal ko nung... Ha? Yeah, he's here. Yeah. So, it's been a long time since I performed this song. Yeah, he's here, promise. Hindi ako nag-video. Ayun, it's been a long time since I performed this song, and super excited ako to perform this again for you guys. And if you know the lyrics, if you know the words, you can sing with me or sabihin nyo, okay? So the next song that I will be performing is titled Anino. Parang regalos nila sa akin ng birthday ko, kaya Berries, thank you so much. And nung na-receive ko to, talaga na-feel ko, grabe, sumakses na talaga. Kasi parang solo artist na talaga, which I embrace kasi nga supported talaga, well supported talaga ako ng mga people around me, kaya I'm very thankful. Thank you, Kelly. Nakita ko na siya. Thank you, Kelly. I love you, man, so much. And of course, I want to acknowledge Make It Makati and Ayala Mos. Thank you so much for making this event possible. Kita ko yung mga tao sa likod talaga nag-enjoy. And I think everyone's having a blast tonight, right? Are you guys still having fun? Yes. So, bago ko tumungo sa aking next performance, gusto ko lang, okay lang mag-promote po saglit? Okay lang? Yeah. So, a lot of you naman, alam na I'm in a group, right? So yeah. Yeah, thank you at alam niyo yun. So, meron pa kaming mga upcoming shows outside the country. So SB19 will be having a world tour and meron pa kaming Oceania and New Zealand leg. So if you're interested to watch one of our shows, one of our stops, you can visit SB19 Official or Official SB19 and you can buy tickets kung saan man po kayo malapit sa mga... Kasi balita ko may mga international fans na pumunta here. Meron ba? Meron? Magingay nga yung mga lumuwas pa ng ibang bansa to watch we play here. International fans, make some noise! Kasi, speaking of tour, kasi yung fans din, grabe yung tour. And of course, same with SB19 may tour. Pero alam niyo ba na yung next song ko, for my last song, itong song na to, na-tour ko na rin to. And I'm very thankful sa Warner family na hinayaan nila akong i-tour ang Room talaga. Sobrang memorable, sobrang happy yung experience, sobrang life-changing as a solo artist. I discovered a lot of things about myself because of this tour, and of course, I'm very happy and thank you. Sobrang mahal na mahal ako ng Warner family and mahal na mahal ko sila. Kaya naman, for my last song tonight, I'm very excited to perform this again, this song. So, are you guys ready? Parang hindi ready. Are you guys ready? Make some noise! If you feel sexy tonight, you can dance with me. Okay? So, kung kanina ay nagbalad ako, ngayon naman, try natin painitin yung gabi. Are you guys ready? Warner family, are you ready? So my last song, this is Room.
Good evening, everyone. When I say we play, you say hey, we play, we play, we play. Kami ang Dilaw at ano lang. Our next song is a song from our band. This is a song for you and you. Say, yeah, you just feel the vibe, you know the vibe? Can you feel it? Can you feel it all the way to the back and forth? Yeah, you close your eyes like this, man. Yeah. Yeah, wow. Real.
We don't have much time, but we have one thing that we really want to say before we end our set with the last song. There's three things we want to be thankful for before we end the set. First off is all of you for filling this beautiful space with so much love, so much passion and support for not just us and our artists with us, but also the organizers and Ayala. You know, thank you so much for allowing us to share our music and express who we really are, no filter. Thank you so much, Make It Makati and Ayala Malls, for allowing us the space to do that.
Yeah.
And
Make
Warner,
It Makati and Ayala Malls.
yeah. And last but not least, of course, thank you so much, Warner Music Philippines, for guiding us every step of the way. I remember the first time we stepped into that... What's Sir Kelly? I remember the first time we stepped in that room, the conference room, we were like, oh, they're so nice, man. We love this place. So homey, so cozy. So we thank you for sharing us that warmth when you found us, at the time that you found us. Thank you so much, Warner Music Philippines.
Yeah! W for Warner.
Yeah, W for Warner. And there's one thing that I want to say before we go. Once this night is over, when we go back to our separate ways and our paths that we cross, our paths that we take, know that this night, this moment right here, we'll always share that together for life.
Yeah.